Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me to introduce myself. My name is YOSE ARMADHANI. My student ID 180530221. In this time, I want to explain about international article about regional economics of four course final exam regional economics. Okay, let's begin. In this article, I take it from Google Scholar with the title Regional Economics in New Economic Geography Perspective. Author name Christian Berhens, J. Queens Fraquistis. It or year 12 April 2007 with publisher Core University Catholic de Leuven, Belgium, Cheras, Encol Nationale des Postes L. Chausses French, and CPR United Kingdom, and the source below. Okay, for abstract, we show that the concept and tools developed in neo-economic geography may be used to revisit several problems in regional economics. In particular, we want to stress the following 2 points. 1. What do we mean by region? And what kind of interaction between regions do we want to study and how to model them? We conclude by discussing a few open problems that should be explored in more detail for regional economics to become a richer body of knowledge. 1. Introduction. In order to talk even halfway sensibly about regional economics, it is necessary to tackle the following 2 questions. 1. What do we mean by a region? And 2. What kind of interaction between regions do we want to study and how to model them? That's the same question for the abstract for Vitalcat. Then, regarding to the first question, we find it crucial to develop a better understanding of how to spatial scale of the analysis method for the economic results. Too often, economics use interchangeably different yet equally unclear words such as location, regions, or places without being aware that they often correspond to different spatial units. As the second question, regardless of what is meant by a region, the concept is usable if and only if a region is part of a broader network to which various types of interaction occur. Without taking this aspect into account, one might wonder what the difference between regional economics and the macroeconomics of a closed economy would be. When there is a single region, the economy is a spatial and there is nothing interesting to be said in terms of spatial analysis. Okay, 2. What is region? In its broadest sense, the term region is used to describe a bundle of places such that any 2 places belonging to the same region are, in a way or another, similar yet. The multiplicity of definition reflects the fact that the concept of similarity to be used does not suggest itself. This difficulty may be formalized in a very reduced or largely unnoticed way. Using a particular regional system amounts to working with a spatial equivalence relation defined on the space reference. This result has 2 important implications. 1. Any place belongs to a single region, and 2. 2 places belonging to the same region are considered as being identical from the standpoint of the equivalence relation, whereas 2 places belonging of 2 distinct regions are not. 3. The relationship between regional economics and NEC, New Economic Geography. Since the pioneering work of Krugman, 191, NEC has become a fast-growing field. It provides a full-fledged general equilibrium approach with strong macroeconomics underpinnings in which regional disparities may or may not emerge endogenously, depending on the values of the some structural parameters. Another striking aspect of NEC is the very large number of empirical investigations it has triggered. However, if empirical papers deal with many regions and sectors, the theory has focused almost exclusively on 2 regions and sectors. NEC models typically rest on very specific models of monopolistic competition, mainly the one by Dixit and Stiglitz. Therefore, such models lack of the level of generality that characterizes standard general equilibrium theory. For NEC and regional economists to achieve the status of economic theories, it is necessary, we believe, to explore alternative formulations of monopolistic competition and to check whether its main conclusion will remain valid within such frameworks. 4. From 2 to many regions, 4 plus 1, 4.1 theory. Behrendt et al. Affair offer a recent attempt at developing a multi-regional system with endogenous film location and they derive testable empirical implications. In particular, they show that accessibility crucially matters for predicting how local market size affect industrial locations. Another key insight one can derive only in a multi-region economy is that any change in the underlying parameters has in general complex impacts which vary in non-trivial ways with the properties of the graph representing a spatial economy. 4.2 Empirics. To sum up, although urban systems have attracted the attention of economics for a long time, the study of regional systems has been far too neglected. What makes this subject a real future challenge are the following two reasons. One, new tools have to be found and applied to build a theoretical framework involving many regions, whereas two, the empirical analysis of regional systems requires further and sophisticated developments in spatial economics and numerical calibration. Beyond its own interest, the emergence of trading blocks and the gradual removal of national borders make it more and more important to have at one's disposal a well-developed body of regional economics if we want to understand better the particular form of economic integration and its potential consequences. Okay, I think all my explanation about the regional economics or based on international article of for mistake I say before I'm so sorry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.